Ukhrul District ki Litan Police Station na konba mafam singda security force na chathakiba operation amada Khutshu Khutlai kaya phagat pangamkhre logi wangmada sajilamba bunker kaya thugaikre police tagi phangba paw amana hai security force na chathakiba operation aduda TM Kasom village da bunker ani amade Patlai Jang village da bunker ama thugaikhi amaromda phaгаtlaba Khutlai sing adudi kg manga rom lumba ID ama local made cell launcher gun ani Baofeng radio set ani radio set sing adugi charger ama 12 bore live cartridge ahom amadi tongan tongan ba caliber ge kapthokraba nongmai marugi tokning tarani thoini hairi Nakal Amaromda Churachandpur District ki Churachandpur Police Station na konba Kenkot Village ke jungle gi area dagi security force na Khutshu Khutlai kaya recover tawba ngamle hairi police tagi phangba paw amana hai Pharaba Khutlai sing adudi magazine yawba MK2 rifle ama AK47 rifle ama rifle adugi magazine ani 303 rifle ama rifle adugi magazine ama 12 bore rifle ama country made .22 rifle ama rifle adugi magazine ama country made 12 bore rifle ama country made .22 sniper rifle ama SBML gun ani SBBL gun ama 12 bore gi empty cartridge tara humdoi 12 bore gi live round ahum IED manga wireless handset ani country lethot launcher ama magazine pouch ani camouflage jungle boot jura ani amade camouflage tupi amani hairi